Are you looking to convert a PDF into Word, Excel, or PowerPoint? Whether you're at the office or on the go, it's easy to do with PDFelement anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Keep watching. Before we begin, download PDFelement from the Play Store and don't forget to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Converting a PDF to Word is simple when you're at the office, but it can become challenging when you're not. Don't worry, PDFelement has you covered. To get started, launch PDFelement on your mobile device. On the main interface, select the Convert PDF option, then choose On this device. Navigate to the folder where your PDF file is located, select the file, and you'll be taken to the next screen where you can choose your output format. You can convert your PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPEG, PNG, EPUB, or TXT. Once you select the desired format, click on Convert. PDFelement will quickly convert your PDF to the selected format. Click on Open, and your PDF will now be in Excel format. It only takes a few clicks to convert your PDF into the format you need. Download the app now and edit your PDFs anytime and anywhere with PDFelement. See you in the next video.